Hi guys, and welcome to 5 minutes of. In this video I want to talk about the MFA solution on Z platform. In 5 minutes, of course. As many of you already know, multi-factor authentication is the most advanced authentication system often used during the daily home banking operations, or in general to log into your company systems or to other internet applications. For example, I use every day MFA with my Google account to access my email or other Google services. In this way, you apply a strong authentication method based on two or more factors with different combinations, such as password and passcode, password and biometric, or password plus passcode plus biometric. And you can also use different hardware or software solutions, such as token keys, hardware software, apps on smartphone, or intelligent USB keys.
Why using MFA for mainframe?
The question is, if your mainframe is protecting your precious data, why do you continue to use basic authentication, user ID and password, to access your mainframe? Whenever security server is in use, for example, RACF in several cases, you can improve your password complexity using mixed case and special characters. You can improve your password quality in terms of digit length or using passphrase. You can improve your password quality in terms of digit length or using passphrase. But if you want to be sure that the authentication is not misused, then you need MFA on Z.
Which are the components of zMFA?
zMFA is a software product that runs as a process, typically a started task, on your ZOS system. It is closely integrated with RACF, that is the repository of all authentication factors. RACF provides the security policy in order to decide which user can be an MFA user, which factor a user can use, and how many factors the user has to satisfy to be authenticated. And also, you don't need to deploy zMFA for all users in the same time, but you can do this gradually, assigning MFA credential with granularity and with a controlled deployment. zMFA comes with two interfaces: the traditional ISPF interface for customization and administration tasks, and a web interface to allow the device enrollment and key provisioning for devices.
How does it work?
First of all, you need to download on your smartphone the client app, such as Google Authenticator, IBM Verify, Duo, and so on. Then open the client app and select the account you want to use. The app generates the token code automatically. Second step, the user will enter the token code generated by the app, followed by his RACF password. This mode is also named compound mode. Finish. The process is ended. You have used the device, something you have, and the RACF password, something you know.
What devices are supported?
zMFA supports a lot of authentication factors, such as RSA, generic OTP, radius, and so on. And you can use all the technologies reported in this slide.
What should I change in my environment?
Probably the most important thing to know is that you don't need to change anything regarding your authentication architecture. For example, if you have already deployed an MFA architecture in your environment, why don't you integrate also the mainframe? zMFA can work with your LDAP or other authentication servers, with your identity management solution, or with your privileged access management solution. In conclusion, zMFA helps you to protect your mainframe identities with a real integration with your infrastructure, and it is able to increase the security level of your big server, the mainframe. Thank you for your attention, and if you want, follow me in the next video. Bye bye from Luigi.